My name is Laurent Schmieder. I am the Site Building and Power Supply Manager. In 2014, one of the main challenges will be the coordination of the platform. The activity on site will mainly be focused on the tokamak and the assembly building, but all the surrounding buildings will start one after the other during the year. Today we are pouring the third plot of the bottom slab of the tokamak. This plot represents 600 square meters for around 900 cubic meters of concrete. This is the third plot out of 15, and we intend to pour between now and September 15,000 cubic meters of concrete. This concreting activity is a very important activity. It is nuclear concrete, and we are making a lot of measurements. So we are checking the quality of the concrete, the temperature of the concrete, and this is made in order to avoid any cracks and to be sure that the concrete is well placed everywhere on the slab. On top of the slab, you can see some vertical bars called starter bars. Those bars will be used by VFR from July to start the erection and the build-up of the walls of the tokamak complex. The work is performed by GTM under the supervision of Engage, APAV and F4E. In parallel, the reinforcement work on the center part of the tokamak complex is ongoing. The worker will put in place 6,000 tons of steel. We are dealing with bars of 12 meter length, 40 millimeter diameter, so it's very heavy bars. And we will be ready to pour the first plot on the center part in summer this year. We expect to complete the entire B2 slab for September 2014. The assembly building is the main steel frame building that Vinci Ferrovial Razel will build on the platform. It will be 60 meters high, more or less the height of this crane behind me, and will be made with 5,000 tons of steel. And it will be used to pre-assemble the equipment of the tokamak. Behind me you can see big opening, so-called box out. Those are the interface between the tooling equipment and the concrete slab. When the equipment will be placed, we will then pour the remaining space, and we will have the slab completed. In front of you, you can see the contractor area number 2 almost completed. We have a canteen now, we have parking lots, and some company has already installed their offices and welfare. For example, the yellow building for Vinci Razel Ferrovial. During the course of the year, the other company will install their welfare and offices. We will have in summer Ferrovial for TB5 and TB7, and later on, in September, we will have GDF Suez, which will install the offices and welfare for the TB4 contract. This year, we will start the erection of the RF heating building, cleaning facility, compressor plant, and the control building. Time after time, more and more companies will be installed and will start working on different areas. So the site will be full of workers, crane, truck, and it will be a huge task to coordinate all this work from a technical point of view, but also from a health and safety point of view. By the end of this year, we will most probably be one of the busiest sites in Europe.